Hello, my name is Tyler and I'm here to talk to you about chickens. Chickens are our staple poultry here, right? They're fairly normal birds, maybe a little cute if you put a hat on them, but the catch is chickens are evil. Yes, really. While I have never personally owned a chicken, I have seen plenty of videos and heard enough stories from farmers about the things their chickens have done to dismiss these feathery friends as a non-threat. We have fossil records and DNA evidence to show that chickens are descended from dinosaurs, and they show it. Not only are they capable of pecking a snake to death, a snake to death, but they are also cannibalistic. You'd think chickens are herbivores, right? You'd think we just feed them grain and such, like cows. No, chickens can and will eat not only each other, but their own eggs as well. In fact, they need protein and calcium in order to develop healthy eggs. And I've seen several videos of farmers feeding their chickens scrambled eggs with the shell crushed in. When I tell you, those chickens were not only hungry, but enthusiastic about eating it, yikes. But I digress. Let's start at the beginning. The dinosaurs. Hunt or be hunted. Kill or be killed. The age of dinosaurs was brutal, and so are chickens. According to the Orlando Science Center, chickens are the closest living relative of the Tyrannosaurus rex. How crazy is that? You know who else is related to the infamous tyrant king of dinosaurs? The ostrich. Ostriches can, will, and have attacked human people, and I have no doubt that chickens would do the same if given the chance. Why? Because they're evil birds. You know the saying, hell hath no fury like a mother scorned? I have witnessed broody mother hens draw blood from their keepers when they attempted to take the non-viable eggs from them. The non-viable eggs are the ones that won't hatch into chicks. So why the violence? You could say, well, Tyler, they're just protecting their young. That's not unprovoked violence. And you could be right, of course, but that brings me to my next point. Chickens kill and eat snakes, says Robert Henderson Jr., who owns a few himself. Snakes are common predators that like to go after eggs, and maybe this could be considered protecting the chicken's young again, but the sheer violence with which chickens peck a snake to death should at least partially convince you that they're capable of very evil things. There are several videos wherein chickens kill a snake and then proceed to eat its corpse. I don't know about you, but to me, that is an evil bird. My third and final point falls under what chickens consider food, but this takes it to another level. Chickens are cannibalistic. Not only will they eat their own eggs with an almost terrifying enthusiasm, but they will also attempt to eat each other. An article from Pennsylvania State University claims that while there are some factors which can make cannibalism more likely to happen, it may also be the case where little to none of those factors are present, but chickens are still exhibiting cannibalistic behavior, more specifically, pecking bright red areas like the cloaca and the comb of roosters, both of which chickens are supposed to consider attractive. Yikes, right? They don't even necessarily need a motive, which, to me, screams evil. Now, being descended from the dinosaurs isn't the chicken's fault. Eating snakes, they could just be protecting their young and each other. But cannibalism is where I draw the line. These birds are evil, no doubt about it. The eggs might be delicious, but the chicken is vicious. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.